Let's be honest, most of us want long, healthy hair fast, but we're stuck wondering why nothing ever seems to work. You've tried the masks, the oils, the overnight hacks, but your hair is still the same length it was 2 months ago. Well, let's fix that. In this video, I'll show you how to actually grow your hair faster, using science-backed methods that really make a difference. No fluff, just facts. Let's go. Step 1, treat your scalp like skin. Here's something most people forget. Your scalp is skin, and if it's dry, irritated, or unbalanced, your hair simply won't grow well. So before focusing on your strands, focus on the skin they grow from. Strengthen your scalp barrier with soothing, non-comedogenic oils like jojoba oil. Closely mimics your skin's natural oils and deeply moisturizes. Sweet almond oil, rich in vitamin E and zinc. It calms sensitivity and improves skin health. Olive oil, packed with antioxidants and fatty acids that repair dryness and flakiness. Warm up a small amount of oil between your hands and gently apply it to your scalp without rubbing or massaging. Leave it on for 30 to 60 minutes before washing. This supports a healthier scalp environment, which means better, stronger hair growth over time. Step 2, wash smarter, not more. Washing too often strips away your scalp's natural oils, which are actually protective. Use a gentle sulfate-free shampoo just 2 to 3 times a week. Step 3, feed your hair from the inside. Hair is made of protein, so your diet matters. Make sure you're getting enough. Protein, eggs, fish, tofu. Omega-3s, salmon, walnuts, flax seeds. Iron, plus zinc, celery, spinach, lentils. And don't forget biotin and vitamin D, 2 key nutrients linked to stronger, faster-growing hair. Step 4, stop what's slowing growth. Your hair might not be short, it might just be breaking. To prevent that, never brush wet hair roughly. Use a satin pillowcase to reduce friction. Avoid daily heat styling. Don't tie tight ponytails or buns. They weaken the roots. Healthy ends. Longer hair in the long run. Step 5, be consistent and track progress. There's no overnight magic, but consistent care brings real results. Take progress photos monthly and track your length. Hair grows about 1 to 1.5 centimeters per month, so focus on creating the best possible environment, and your growth will follow naturally. If you found this helpful, give your hair a little love today. And maybe give this video a like too. Stay patient, stay consistent, and your hair will thank you. See you in the next video, beautiful.